And today I am super excited because we have this ginormous bag of super fun squishies. Okay, let's open it. Okay guys, let's open it. Oh my goodness. Okay, I got to get this out. This is so cute. Oh my goodness, look at that little marshmallow. It's so adorable. Whoa. These raspberries feel just like real raspberries. Whoa, that smells delicious. And a chocolate cake that has vanilla icing and 3 little raspberries. That is so cute. I'm just gonna set it right there. Okay. Oh my goodness! This thing is adorable. Look at it. Oh my goodness, that smells so good. It's milk. It's adorable, cute little milk that's like melting. It's like spilling out like that. It looks so real. Okay, let me see. Oh my goodness. Oh. Holy cow, that smells good. Oh my goodness, it's 2 cookies. They're soft and so squishy, guys. So, oh my goodness. The rice is so slow. Oh my goodness, the sprinkles are so cute. Okay, let's see. Oh my goodness, look at this. Okay. Are you kidding me? This is absolutely adorable. Look. That is so cute. What? Are you kidding me? This thing is ginormous. Oh my goodness. This thing is like, it's a cinnamon roll. Oh, that smells like a cinnamon roll. Look how giant this thing is. Whoa. That is like so cool. We have one more thing. Oh my goodness, look at that cute, adorable little donut. Oh, it is so cute. Look how adorable this thing is. It's like chocolate dribbles. It smells like a real life donut, and it actually smells like it. Oh my goodness, these things are so cute. This one is probably my favorite because look how cute it is. It's like adorable milk. It is just so cute. And my second favorite is this guy. And yeah, these things are adorable. That's my cinnamon roll smash. Oh wait, no it isn't. Yes it is. Wow. Oh, my milk smash. Aww. It's not. I love these squishies. They are so cute. They are so adorable. They smell so good. Wow. My first one. Look at those cute little lips and eyes. It's so adorable. Okay, bye-bye. Thanks for watching Bella's Toy Review. Be happy, be kind. Please subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye, guys.